and they get a kick out of it. But it's to me, it's heartbreaking, because I think if you love someone or care about someone, you want them to thrive and have a happy life, instead of make them sacrifice stuff on your own altar.
I actually think that's the worst lie that narcissists tell is I love you. I think that is the worst lie that they tell, because then the psychological damage that does to people is, then you realize that's what you were conditioned to think that love is, even though they treated you terribly and they never did. They don't even love themselves.
Mm. There's a form of hypnosis with this. To tell someone those words, I mean, words have a lot of power. To tell someone those words makes us believe it must be true. And often hear people say, I don't understand. Like, why, if the person loved me, why would they treat me this way? It's a fair question. To which the answer is, well, what makes you think that they loved you? Well, they said so. Okay. Like, lying is a thing. Did they behave like someone who loved you? No. So how do you explain that? And people can't explain it. We're hypnotized. I remember at one point I took the example, like, if I take this pen and I tap my forehead and I tell you I'm not tapping my forehead with this pen, your brain your brain hears one thing, sees something else, and it's difficult to process. And I'm doing this with something that's easy to observe. Clearly, I'm misleading you. But when it comes to intentions and emotions, it's much less clear, and it's so easy to get hypnotized, especially if we want to hear someone say those words to us.